Okay, this is a movie. These are the trees in the back of our house. I don't know how well this camera can hear, but if you listen quietly, you can hear the trees falling because they're so covered in ice. Holy crap, I just caught that on tape.
What?
This huge limb just fell.
You caught it on tape?
Yes. Carlin, come watch these. Watch the trees.
That whole tree just fell.
Back in the woods. I got it on tape. It was a little tree, but holy crap, look at those.
Yeah, look over there, Dad.
Holy.
Top of another one just fell off.
I got that one on tape too. That one sounded like it was behind the house. Daddy, be careful going over there. There are tree limbs falling from that really tall tree.
Okay, come on, let's go down to the pond.
No, I'm watching this. Holy crap! Dad, I wouldn't go back there. Carlin will walk this way. Can you lift up my hood?